Hellos and welcome back to Plants of the World. Today we are looking at the Glossy Abelia. The Glossy Abelia is a hybrid cross between A. chinensis and A. uniflora, initially developed in Italy in 1886 at the Ravelli nursery at Palanza on Lake Maggiore in Italy. A bold plant in appearance, its triadic colour scheme resembles properties of an impressionistic painting, each detail handcrafted by the masterful strokes of a seasoned painter. It is a deciduous evergreen shrub which can grow from 1 to 1.8 meters tall and equally as wide. Multi-stemmed and dense, the Glossy Abelia is a beautiful rounded shrub with poetic arching branches, dark green glossy leaves in the summer, and bronze winter-coloured leaves in the autumn. The leaves shimmer in the light and have rich colour density with multiple shades of green permeating through its surface. The flowers on the Glossy Abelia are a pinkish white colour with a tubular form. The tips of the flowers expand into a star formation to create a visually stunning display, the likes of which rarely seen. They are staggeringly fragrant and have the propensity to attract butterflies. The long-lasting flowers of the plant are truly irresistible to butterflies. A ferocious plant, flowering starts in May, then continues throughout the summer. The leaves of the Glossy Abelia feature a rounded base and are 2.5 centimeters long and half as wide. The bark of the plant is thin, grey, peeling bark, which solidifies its charismatic appeal. The Glossy Abelia is easily transplanted and prefers acidic to neutral soil that is well drained and moist. It thrives in full sun to partially shaded areas and can withstand heavy pruning. It is primarily used as an ornamental plant in gardens or in a mixed border with other shrubs. Its alluring properties to butterflies are also a key component to its use in gardens. Thanks for watching. From a small seed, a mighty tree can grow. See you next time on Plants of the World.